Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Sunnyside Acura in Nashville, New Hampshire, we have the 2024 Acura ZDX. This is the A-Spec, and it's actually really impressive. It drives much shorter than it actually is, and it's kind of crazy looking at it how long it looks, and the styling cues and everything about it is just really cool. Tons of back seat room, Bang & Olufsen sound system, pano roof, MSRP as tested $70,450, $70,450, scarlet red metallic over orchid. Pretty darn cool. Obviously, this is based on a GM EV platform, I believe the same one that underpins the Blazer EV. Same basic one that underpins the Honda Prologue as well. But what Acura's done has made it pretty hard to tell it's a GM product unless you know what you're looking for. Oh wow, this is all LED lighting all across the front grille, or faux grille. Can you open up the front? Yes, you can. If you know GM time, that is a GM time, shush. Oh, not bad. Okay. The way they have the battery terminals looked up looks like they're ignition coils. That's pretty cool. Oh, sound deadening. Smart. That is one big complaint with EVs, is the fact that there's no engine noise, so you can hear everything. So the fact they put sound deadening in the wheel wells, so it can't... Oh, come on. I try to be gentle to cancel out some of the road noise. It's pretty darn smart. There you go. Interior is actually really nice. Heated, cooled seats. Oh, you're kind of valet key. I like that. Your drive modes are here: sport, snow, normal, individual, and I like that it's just a continuous scroll. Ah, okay. So that's how you control the one-pedal driving. I do like that a lot. What a nice car. Like that. Yeah, nice LED. Oh, and they're not the bright white LEDs. Oh, that's amazing, because at night you can very easily get blinded by those. All right. Let's go for a drive. Now, obviously, like I said, this is a long car, or at least it looks like it. It's just... the styling is so cool on this car. And the thing is, with electric vehicles, because you don't have a massive engine taking up a huge part of the car, and you don't need cooling for, or don't need space for a radiator, you can do some pretty cool styling tricks. And I'm glad they did. Oh, that is aggressive. I was driving most of this on normal, so it's going to be a little herky-jerky until I get used to the high one-pedal driving. But I do like the one-pedal drive. And then to add a little bit more braking, you have a paddle on the passenger side, driver's side of the steering wheel. So you do have a little bit of engine. I like that. Now, obviously, with the radio off and everything, you're gonna hear wind noise. You're gonna hear wind noise in any car you drive. So don't act like, oh, it's an EV, this car is very, very loud. No. you're missing an engine noise, and that's why it makes everything sound a little bit louder. But at the end of the day, you turn the radio up, it's just a comfortable cruising car. I don't understand people's fascination with, oh, EVs have tons of road noise. No, they don't. It's just, they're just as loud as any other car. You're just thinking about it more because you don't have an engine noise. Gotta adjust my hat. I'll be nice. I didn't, you know, it makes me feel nice and cheerful inside. When you cross the border 10 miles that way, nobody will ever do that. Okay. You guys have a yield sign, but nobody ever does. So you kind of have to do the Massachusetts merge, which consists of a hope and a prayer. So here's a good example. You don't have the road or the engine noise. I'm on grooved pavement. It's still really, really quiet. I can whisper and you guys can hear me. That's what that foam and sound deadening in the wheel wells does. It sits there and it gets rid of some of those very, very harsh noises. I do like this thing a lot. First time even sitting in one, it took me forever to figure out where the drive modes were. That's why I pointed them out in the video. This entire review, I haven't touched the brakes, just so you know how one pedal drive works. It's designed to use one pedal. That's impressive. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.